Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable notifications from the Shopify app on iPhone. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your iPhone and locate the Settings app. Tap on the Settings app to open it. Scroll down and look for the Notifications option. Tap on Notifications to view the list of apps. Scroll through the list until you find the Shopify app. Tap on the Shopify app to access its notification settings. Make sure that the Allow Notifications toggle is turned on. Once it's enabled, you will see options for how you want to receive notifications. Choose the alert style that works best for you. You can select banner, alerts, or none. Next, scroll down to customize additional settings. You can choose to enable sounds for notifications. Select the option to show notifications on the lock screen. You may also want to enable the option to show them in the notification center. Once you have configured your preferences, exit the settings. Open the Shopify app to ensure the settings have taken effect. You should now receive notifications from the Shopify app on your iPhone. Enjoy staying updated with all your Shopify alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.